Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ebony and this is Forever Ebony. Today I've got a very special unboxing from Louis Vuitton, one that's straight off of my 2025 wish list. If you guys are not familiar, here's my wish list, which I recently realized is not about grabbing everything right away, but I'm going to keep it in mind as the year goes on to kind of guide my purchases. Now that said, I did make a spontaneous purchase from Fashion File that was not on the list. I got the Saint Laurent medium college bag for a really good price, but it came with a chemical smell and some mystery gunk on the zipper, which was definitely not what I expected. And it just reminded me why my wish list is there, to help focus on what I actually want and to avoid these impulse buys. Now, when I was in store, I did keep my wish list in mind, but I also did check out a few other bags before choosing this one. Immediately, my eyes went straight to the soft Speedy 30 Crafty. It is a really beautiful bag in person, and I almost got it, but you guys know I am not a fan of vachetta. And even though it was pre-tan, I'm just not quite ready to deal with that upkeep yet. I also checked out the All In GM, which again has vachetta, so that was a no-go for me. Then I checked out the OnTheGo PM, which I was really hoping to get, but the strap wasn't tall girl friendly, but I may just circle back to this one later and consider the MM size. So after all that, it kind of became pretty clear which bag I was going to choose. Here is my receipt, and you guys, let's finally open up this box. Now this bag was a gift for a special occasion I recently celebrated. I was out of town for a few days and I thought about getting something to celebrate while I was there, but nothing really caught my eye. So as soon as I got home, I texted my CA to check her availability because I knew I wanted to get something special to mark the occasion. And the bag that I went with is the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs Mini. You guys, I have wanted this bag for so long, and I finally decided to make it mine. It's just one of those bags that is going to fit right in with my lineup, so it only made sense to get it. The size, the design, the versatility, it ticks all the boxes for me, and it's something that I know I'll get a lot of wear out of, and I'm just really excited to finally have it. So the thing that got me the most excited about this bag is the versatility. Of course, it's technically a backpack, but let's be real, I am never going to wear this as a backpack. The straps on the back are detachable and there are 4 D-rings on the back. So I'm just going to attach my canvas monogram strap to 2 of them and wear it strictly crossbody. And I already know it's going to elevate even the most casual outfits, just like my mini bum bag already does. So I know this isn't a new bag, but I still want to give you guys a full tour, show you all around it, what I'll carry inside, and then be sure to stick around until the end because I recently checked off another wishlist bag in a different color than I originally wanted. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it yet, but stay tuned because I'm going to share that one too. The Palm Springs Mini is basically a shrunken down version of the Palm Springs MM. There are a few differences like the zipper and the strap design, but overall it gives off the same feel, just more compact. Right at the top of the bag, there's a zipper that gives you access to the main compartment. On the previous version of the Palm Springs Mini, this zipper was hidden behind a flap that you had to lift to unzip, but with the new design, the zipper is fully exposed, giving the bag a cleaner, more streamlined look. Underneath that, there's an exterior zip front pocket. In the center, there's a black leather tab that says Louis Vuitton Paris, and underneath the flap, there's the zipper. Now, I'll be honest, I don't see myself ever using this front pocket. My mini bum bag also has a front pocket and I never really use it either. On the back of the bag, there are 2 D-rings at the top and 2 more at the bottom. These are meant for attaching the backpack straps if you decide to wear it that way. But since I won't be using it as a backpack, I'm only ever going to be using the top 2 D-rings. The bottom. Now, one thing I'm a little bit confused about is this black leather tab at the bottom, you guys. If you know what this is for, please let me know. My CA said it's mostly decorative and that you can hang charms from it, but I don't see myself doing that. And then here's the top of the bag. So on the top of the bag, there is a little top handle, which is going to be so convenient. The handle is made of black leather, just like the trim on the bag, and it's going to make it super easy to grab and go. It's a little detail, but one I know that I'm going to appreciate. The smooth zipper opens up to the main compartment, and inside are the two backpack straps. Both are adjustable, and even though I won't be using them, it is nice to have the option. The interior is lined in a soft textile fabric, and there's a single flat pocket in the back. No extra compartments, just a simple open space to fit the essentials. So I'm about to start carrying this bag right now, you guys. So I just wanted to show you what I'm going to be carrying inside of it. Here's the product code tag and number if you're curious. I'll also have everything linked down in the description box below. First inside is going to be my phone, and this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And that just fits right inside, no problem. Next up is my brand new key pouch S. This has totally replaced my original key pouch. I now keep all of my keys, ID, and a few other essentials in here. Next up is my original key pouch. Now at first I really wanted to part with it, but I decided to hang on to it for now, and I just store some extra cards in here. Then there's my M case from Dress Up Your Purse. Inside I've got my portable MagSafe charger. It's getting a little tight in there, you guys, but I think I might be able to squeeze in one more thing. And then finally, here is my Louis Vuitton card case, and that does just fit right inside. So I thought about getting the recto verso to match, which is also on my 2025 wish list, but I wanted it in reverse monogram. I'm not sure if the reverse monogram version has been discontinued because it's always sold out on the website. So I might just go with the regular monogram instead, which would actually match this bag a lot better anyway. I've had my eye on this backpack for so long, but for whatever reason, I kept putting it off. Every time I thought about getting it, I'd end up grabbing something else instead. But now that it's here, I can already tell it was worth the wait, and I already know exactly how I'm going to wear it. I bought a monogram canvas strap for my mini bum bag, and it's going to be perfect for this too. It's the perfect length, the gold hardware pairs nicely with it, and the lobster clasps will of course clip right onto the D-rings on the back, making it an effortless crossbody option. I'm going to insert a picture so you can see how it looks on. This is exactly the look I envisioned: sleek, effortless, and stylish, and just the right combination of casual and elevated that I was going for. The next bag that I checked off of my wish list is this Coach large Kisslock frame bag. This bag pretty much made it on everyone's wish list. It debuted on the spring 2025 ready-to-wear runway and was just recently released, but it sold out in minutes. It was released in this color, which is dark brown, black, and a pink color Coach calls Rose. I managed to get my hands on this one and another one, which is on the way. Honestly, I'm not sure if this is the one I'm going to keep. I ordered 2 colors, but I'm only planning to keep one. I'm going to make the decision once the other one arrives, but look at this bag, you guys. It really is the it bag this spring. It's got the perfect mix of chic and slouchy, and while I'm still weighing the color, I can already tell it's going to be a major statement piece. So I finally checked off another bag from my 2025 wish list, the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs Mini. I was kind of beating myself up for not only sticking to stuff on my wish list, but I don't think the wish list is some kind of strict rule. Again, it's more of a guide to help me cut back on making so many impulse purchases. And this bag was definitely well thought out, and I am so glad to have it because it's going to just be the perfect everyday bag. So what about you guys? Have you checked off anything from your 2025 wish list? Do you even make a wish list, or do you just buy whatever you want whenever you want? I'd love to know, so let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and I'll talk to you soon in my next video.